up, guys? I'm Wood.
And I'm Rose.
And together we make Rosewood. We've been together for, what,
24
years. And ever since we started dating, they just put our names together. But today we're very excited because for those that don't know us, we live here permanently in the Philippines now.
And the Philippines has one of the highest quality products of pearl in the world. The Philippine SouthSea Pearl is known worldwide as the Rolls Royce of pearls.
Ever since I started dating Rosie, I always had a thing for making bracelets. So we decided, why not make something cool from the Philippines? I'm being half Filipino, half American. I thought something to be proud of. Proud Taboeño. So we've started making a series of pearl products that my wife and I are personally building and making ourselves.
We are, and these pearls are sourced through one of our contacts from a local indigenous tribe. So in purchasing these, you're supporting that tribe's group, plus all of the things that we're involved with out here in Davao in the Philippines.
So it's a simple thing, really. If you want to be involved in all of this stuff, our outreaches, our programs, from education to feeding to training to employment, you name it, just follow us online. You will see that if you buy one or a number of these pearls, you can be greatly involved just by that. It is the perfect present, and we're super excited to present you Rosewood Pearls.
Thanks for watching.
And remember that the gift of a lifetime gives a lifeline. That's Rosewood Pearls. See you.